Hello, and you're very welcome. Do you recognise what we're looking at? Well, I'll tell you. It's Kilmacanogue. It's in County Wicklow, Ireland. And we're taking another climb up another mountain. This time, we come at it from the Rocky Valley Drive. What beauty we have around us here in Ireland, and in particular in County Wicklow. That's the Big Sugar Loaf, and we're looking down now into Kilmacanogue, which at one stage had a population of over 2,500 people. Today, the population is around 1,000. A rather beautiful village, which people would say is the gateway to Glendalough in County Wicklow. That's looking down onto the N11, which we hope to have a third lane in the not too distant future. For safety reasons, and indeed to save the congestions in the evenings and every morning. That's Kilmacanogue Church with the school there on the right hand side. It's a thriving village with industry. Avoca hand weavers are there, and lots of other industries as well. We're now looking down at the N11, and on the left we had the Mcrtchly grounds, looking down into Bray. The valley here at the bottom of your screen, the middle. And looking across, you can see the sea. And right across Bray, the new schools, which were built only a year and a half ago. The Holy Redeemer Church there in the middle of your picture top. And the cranes, which indicate the building of the Bray Town Centre. More cranes, and that's where they're building apartments where the Arcadia used to stand. And of course Christ Church there, just gone out of picture. More cranes on the seafront, more apartments. We'll go ahead now and look up onto Bray Head itself, where the cross is, and I presume that you've often been up on Bray Head. You always find people enjoying the fresh air and the walk to the top of Bray Head. And lots of people there at the moment, and that's what I'm seeing from directly across from where I'm standing now. That's looking at the top of the Big Sugar Loaf, and I can see movement there. People love climbing the Big Sugar Loaf because the views are stunning from the top of the Big Sugar Loaf. And from where I'm standing now, we can look down into the Powerscourt Hotel, which used to be the Ritz Hotel, which is in Enniskerry in County Wicklow. And also next door is Powerscourt House and Gardens. And I'm sure if you've been there, you'll have seen the Sugarloaf Mountain from there. But we're now looking down into where the Powerscourt House and Gardens are, in the Garden of Ireland, County Wicklow. We're going to take a 360 degrees look at what I can see from the very top of this beautiful mountain I'm standing on now, which is accessible from the rocky Valley Drive. Fantastic views across Dublin Bay, Killiney, Dalkey, Howth, at the top of your picture left, right down into Bray, Bray town itself, and the hinterland, Bray Head there, and across to the little Sugarloaf, which is now coming into view and is now centre picture where we took a track there a couple of weeks ago. Beautiful views of the Wicklow Mountains. Looking around here, I am afraid of heights. I don't like climbing ladders, but yet I love climbing mountains. Well, I hope you enjoyed my walk up the mountains today, and of course where did we see? Kilmacanogue, Enniskerry behind us, Bray to the left, Dublin City, and of course the big Sugarloaf to the right here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have, well, don't forget you can share it among your friends, and also like and follow Nick Hogan's Adventures here on Facebook. You never know where I'm going to end up next. I don't even know that. Talk to you soon. Good luck.